Hi everyone. Now see that today's our practical experiment is op-amp as inverting and non-inverting amplifier. That means the here operational amplifier used in a inverting and non-inverting amplifier. Okay. So these our experiments total chart are explained in this link. See firstly aim of the our experiment is to study inverting and non-inverting amplifier operation by using op-amp 741. Okay, then apparatus of this experiment is IC741. This IC741 is the operational amplifier IC. Then CRO, cathode ray oscilloscope, is used in we observe the output waveforms. Then dual power supply. In operational amplifier require the dual power supply as well as the here used a frequency generator. We apply the proper amplitude or proper suitable input signal by using the function generator. Okay, then circuit diagram of given experiment. See, this is the inverting operational amplifier. That means the in this operational amplifier input is applied to the inverting terminal. Okay, so here inverting terminal, that means the pin number of 2 which are connected 1 kilo ohm resistor, and this resistor is connected in a frequency generator where the apply the suitable AC input signal. Okay, then a non-inverting terminal, that means the pin number 3 which are connected in a ground. Okay, then here used a feedback resistor is 10 kilo ohm, and this resistor is connected between 2 number pin to 6 number pin. Okay, and here 6 number pin connected to kilo ohms resistor which are connected in ground. Okay, and output is measured on the 6 number pin. Phi out is equal to minus RF. RF is the feedback resistor upon RI. RI is the input resistor into phi in applied input voltage. Okay, and in this operational amplifier we required the dual power supply, that means the positive and negative. Here in a negative minus 12 volt supply which are connected in a 4 number pin, and plus 12 volt supply which are apply in a 7 number pin. In this way this circuit diagram is used in a inverting amplifier. Then procedure, here connect the circuit according to circuit diagram, get it checked and apply the power to circuit. Apply the suitable AC input signal from function generator. Measure the output voltage on the CRO. Take at least 3 readings by varying the amplitude of the input AC signal. Calculate the gain and verify it with theoretical value. Okay, then see the observation table. Here in observation table input voltage phi in volt, output voltage phi out in volt, calculated gain phi out divided by phi in. Here we observe the 3 different readings. We vary the amplitude of the input AC signal. Okay, then trace the waveform on the graph. Okay, trace the waveforms, we observe the input as well as output. Okay, then see the second circuit diagram which are used in a non-inverting amplifier. That means here in input signal which are apply the non-inverting terminal of operational amplifier, that means the pin number 3. See in our circuit diagram. Okay, then inverting terminal which are connected 1 kilo ohm resistor, and this resistor is connected in a ground. Okay, then feedback resistor RF, here apply the 10 kilo ohm resistor between the 2 number to 6 number, and here 2 kilo ohm resistor which are connected load resistors pin number 6 to ground, and across this resistor we observe the output waveforms on a CRO. That means we observe the output voltage phi out is equal to 1 plus RF upon RI into input voltage phi in. And here same that in a positive and negative power supply which are applied in a pin number 4 and pin number 7 with respective. Okay, then procedure, connect the circuit according to circuit diagram, get it checked and apply the power to circuit. Then apply the suitable AC input signal from function generator. Then measure the output voltage on the CRO. Take at least 3 readings by varying the input by varying the amplitude to the input AC signal. Then calculate the gain and verify it with theoretical value. Okay, in this way this procedure we are complete. Then observe the observation table. Here input voltage phi in volt, output voltage phi out in volt, and calculated gain phi out upon phi in. Okay, in both inverting and non-inverting amplifier we observe the input as well as the output waveforms voltage. Okay, and calculate the gain. Okay, then trace the waveform on the graph page. Then result here the parameter of the inverting and non-inverting amplifier is as parameters inverting amplifier and non-inverting amplifier. Okay, in the parameter theoretical gain and observed gain. Okay, we know that the in a theoretical inverting amplifier gain is the 10, and in the theoretical non-inverting amplifier gain is the 11. This theoretical gain is verified in the observer gain. Okay, we observe the both amplifiers, inverting and non-inverting amplifiers, we observe the gain is the same or similar of the theoretical gain. Okay, in this way this experiment is successfully we design or we observe or we successfully done in our laboratory. Okay, see which way we design or we observe this our experiment in our laboratory in the second link. Okay, I think this total chart are explained is completed here. I think got it all of you. This our experiment chart in a operational amplifier as a inverting and non-inverting amplifier. Okay, I think stop here and thank you all of you.